Yeah. Okay. 1. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. All right. Good. Oh, cherry one right there. Oh, bro. 21. Oh, 21. Still a nice one. Out here with the bucks, with the bucks and the boars and the coyotes. It's going down. All we need is a strizo now. Oh, yeah, we got one to bust right here. Yeah. Cherry. Hey, the camera's rolling, so don't give no secrets on. The secret weapon. Yeah. What's a cherry one? Yeah.
So I told the dude, I was like, hey, bro, I'll give you 40 bucks for it.
Yeah.
And he wanted 60, so I wasn't lowballing him too crazy.
Yeah.
You know? I'll give you 40 for it. And he goes, nah, I want 60. And then I go, okay, I'll give you 45. And then he's like, bro, it's a $200 blower. I was like, I'll give you 45. And then he's like, nah, bro. And then I was like, all right, well, then what's the lowest you'll go?
Yeah.
And then he's like, 60. And I go, oh, fuck, you're not gonna give me a deal, you know? And then he's like, and I go like this, I go, okay, I'll give you 60, but meet me at the Red Barn, because he was in Salinas.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna drive.
Fucker blocked me, bro.
Oh.
And he goes, okay, I'll take 50. And then I go, all right, I was like, but you gotta meet me halfway. I was like, fuck that. So then the guy's like, oh, all right, whatever, I'll meet you halfway. Because, you know, he already...
This was going on. Keeper too, it looks like. Bro, that motherfucker just fucking robbed me. Fuck.
You were here for a minute,
I was fucking stuck at the slough for a little while. There he is.
On it?
Yep. Oh, fucking bad. Yeah. Yeah. This fucking one, he had all 3 of them in his fucking ass.
You like when they're even all bent like a banana and they got the...
Get his ass. Just a little guy.
Yeah, throw him back.
Yeah, throw him back.
Hook him on Jesus lure. So
Definitely have to go to the forebay soon.
Bruce,
Yeah.
hook him on.
Hold on, here he goes. No.
He blew up.
By the highway over that rock area and you're like, this is not that low.
Oh, fuck yeah. Way out here. Fucking bad. Oh, he's killing line too, huh? Cherry. Oh! He grabbed it way out here. But yeah, let's do that.
Yeah, well, I hit him right there on that point over there. That little point right there.
Yes.
Fuck, I hit him hard right there, dude. 3 or 4 of them in a row. Nice one. There he is. He's on. See, right there, see? Go right by him. On the boat. Go that way?
Take it easy. All right. God damn it, motherfucker. Oh shit, cherry. Oh, not cherry.
Not cherry.
Dog, that is super not cherry.
Very nice, too. You gotta
I
get
throw them right there, right where those birds are at.
on this side, too.
Okay.
Right now, when we bring it in.